From an evolutionary biology standpoint, women, like men, have innate mate preferences that have evolved over millennia to maximize reproductive success. These preferences are rooted in the fundamental drive to ensure the survival and well-being of offspring. While individual preferences can vary significantly, there are several general traits and characteristics that women tend to find attractive in a mate, supported by evolutionary psychology and biology. Physical attractiveness. Women are attracted to physical features in men that suggest good health and genetic fitness. These include facial symmetry, a strong jawline, and masculine facial features. Symmetry is thought to be an indicator of a healthy genetic makeup, as it suggests that an individual has developed without significant genetic or environmental disturbances. Resources and status. Evolutionarily, women have been drawn to men who can provide resources and ensure the well-being of their offspring. In ancestral environments, this meant men who could hunt and gather effectively or protect the family and community. In modern contexts, this trait often translates to socioeconomic status, ambition, and the ability to provide financial stability. Intelligence. Intelligence is a highly valued trait in mate selection. Intelligent individuals are perceived as better problem solvers, which can be advantageous for the survival of the family unit. Additionally, intelligence is associated with adaptability and learning, essential traits in changing and challenging environments. Kindness and altruism. Women tend to be attracted to men who display kindness, empathy, and altruistic behavior. These traits can indicate a willingness to invest in a relationship, offer emotional support, and cooperate within social groups, all of which contribute to the well-being of offspring. Confidence and dominance. Confidence is often seen as an attractive trait because it can signify an ability to handle challenging situations and provide protection. When balanced with respect and consideration, some level of dominance can be appealing as it reflects assertiveness and the ability to take charge when necessary. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor is often considered attractive as it indicates intelligence and social intelligence. Spirit can also create social bonds, contributing to successful relationships and interactions within a community. Similarity and familiarity. People tend to be attracted to those who are similar to themselves, whether in terms of interests, values, or background. This similarity can create a sense of familiarity and understanding, making it easier to establish and maintain a relationship. From a biological evolutionary standpoint, men, like women, have evolved certain mate preferences that are thought to increase their reproductive success. These preferences are shaped by evolutionary pressures that favor traits and characteristics that enhance the survival and reproductive prospects of their offspring. While individual preferences can vary widely, there are several general traits that men tend to find attractive in a mate from an evolutionary perspective. Physical attractiveness. Men are generally attracted to physical features in women that are associated with fertility and reproductive health. These include features such as a low waist-to-hip ratio, indicating an ability to bear children, and clear skin, indicating good health. Youthfulness is also considered attractive as it is associated with fertility. Youthfulness. Youthful features in women, such as smooth skin and certain facial proportions, are often preferred by men. These features are associated with fertility and reproductive health. In evolutionary terms, selecting younger mates could enhance the likelihood of producing healthy offspring. Symmetry. Facial and body symmetry are considered attractive traits. Symmetrical features are thought to indicate a lack of genetic and environmental disturbances during development, making symmetrical individuals more appealing as mates. Long hair. Long and healthy hair is often seen as an attractive trait in women. In evolutionary contexts, it might signal good health and nutritional status, although preferences for hair length can vary across cultures and individual preferences. Feminine features. Men tend to be attracted to features that are considered typically feminine, such as a higher-pitched voice, and facial features that are relatively smaller and more delicate. These features are associated with higher estrogen levels, indicating reproductive health. Kindness and nurturing qualities. Women who display kindness and nurturing qualities are often considered attractive. Evolutionarily, these traits are valuable as they suggest the ability to care for offspring, enhancing their chances of survival. Similarity and familiarity. Similarity in interests, values, and background can be attractive to men. Similarity creates a sense of familiarity and understanding, making it easier to establish and maintain a relationship. Additionally, mates from similar backgrounds might share common resources and support networks, which can enhance reproductive success. Health and vitality. Men are naturally drawn to women who appear healthy and full of vitality. Clear skin, good posture, and overall physical fitness are often indicative of good health, making these traits attractive to men. It's important to note that while these preferences have evolutionary origins, cultural and individual differences play a significant role in shaping mate selection criteria. Additionally, men, like women, often seek a combination of these traits in a mate, emphasizing the complexity of human mate preferences.